Hello everybody, welcome to Gray Nomads. This is our last video for our time in the Tampa Bay area. We've posted a couple other YouTube videos. This one's going to cover downtown Tampa with the Riverwalk and Ybor City and our time that we did there. And that should wrap up really our Tampa videos. We're actually already on our way. We're in South Carolina on our way back to North Carolina, but
in an undisclosed location.
At an we are not undisclosed. Okay, but yeah.
Anyhow, yes, welcome back. We spent a day in Tampa we parked at the convention center and walked over to take the pirate water taxi to go up and down the river there. You can check out their website. A round trip for all day, hop on, hop off, is $25. They have several stops. They narrate the tour, give you a lot of information about some buildings you're seeing and everything. It was good. You want to check their times when you check in. The website says every 15 minutes. We actually ended up every hour. And so that was a longer stops to come for the boat to come back around.
Yep.
We got off at Armature.
Yep, Armature.
And when you get off there, that is a very unique industrial type building on the inside. A lot of great little eateries where you can grab food. It was very well received there from a lot of people eating there. Outdoor dining, a great outdoor comfortable seating area. So we decided from there to just walk back to the convention center alongside the river. A lot of stuff to see.
If we would have waited an hour for the boat, we already walked all the way back in an hour. So.
I mean, you're talking about the whole thing is 2.6 miles or something. So anyhow, so that was good. We got back there, had another drink there, took the boat southbound then, and ended up at the American Victory ship.
So the American Victory ship is a World War II ship. It's one of only 4 operational ships out there, although by the rust on the back it didn't look very operational. But it was built in 1945. It did serve in World War II. It was built in like 50 days or something out in California. And then it also served in Korea and Vietnam. And around 1999 they put it in Tampa. It's a museum now. You can walk through it. So.
That was a nice boat. And then we did spend some time another day in Ybor City, which is the historic town of Tampa. Influenced by a lot of Cuban influence, and big when it started, big cigar factories and everything. Again, nice place to stroll around, look at some really neat old buildings and places to eat. It does have a streetcar that goes around there, and it's free to ride on that one. So that's probably really something to do, explore.
We went in the middle of the day. Not a lot going on. You can tell when the sun goes down. It's
probably hopping.
A lot different city.
Yeah, but that's yeah. So we didn't explore it in the evening. I'm sure it's a whole different flair then with all the bars and everything there. So, but it's nice. So, and we walked to a local cafe there, a Cuban cafe, to get some pastries and Cuban sandwiches, which delicious. It was really good. So enjoy the pictures we have of it and the videos. And
yeah, if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you ring the bell or click the bell, you'll get notified whenever we put another video out.
Yeah, perfect. Well, we appreciate you watching. Thanks so much, and we'll see you soon.
Yep, bye. If you liked our videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.